Hey guys, today I'm going to do her makeup and that's all we have to say for the intro. Okay, let's do it.
Hello my olives, welcome back to my channel. Today Fabian, my boyfriend,
hello,
is going to try to do my makeup, and I've set up everything on here that he may or may not need to use. Do I use all of these? Do I not? So yeah, he's just gonna try his best to give me... What look are you going for?
What look am I going for?
Like,
what looks can you have? Yeah, just normal makeup.
Normal everyday makeup look by Fabian.
That's it.
Let me zoom in. What do you think girls start with first?
I honestly don't know, one of these powdery things. I can't even read it.
You bought me that one for my birthday.
Okay, so first what we do is we spray the face 3 times with Insta Fix and Go 2-in-1 primer and setting spray. Okay guys, here we go.
Can you see it?
Okay, sprayed face. You don't want bronzing powder yet. Oh, what is this? What's this stuff?
Looking at me.
Oh, you got sunscreen.
He thinks this is sunscreen.
It says sunscreen on it. Foundation. We do foundation next, don't we?
Ah, light bulb.
What's this one? Foundation, but it's on the go. Alright, let me have a look. We're gonna go with the darker one.
He knows that because we were in the shops the other day and I was looking at those and I was comparing it to my face to see if it was the right shade.
Do you put this on the brush? You just go like this. What the hell do you do with it? Oh, we're gonna put it on the brush. No, oh no, sponge. Do you put it on the sponge? Okay.
Okay, so he's poured that much.
Maybelline New York Fit Me.
Fit Me foundation. It's like painting on a canvas.
Okay. Oh yeah, baby. That looks so good. Please don't smile.
Sorry.
You're gonna get caked up today.
Getting my makeup done is so relaxing.
Blending very nicely, this one.
Is it? You're learning something today, what I have to do for my job.
Maybe I might be better than you at your job.
Maybe this will be a turning point of what career you want to go for.
Yeah, I doubt it.
You actually want to be a makeup artist instead of a builder. You just wiped off all my lip balm.
Yeah, how else am I meant to get under your nose?
I can taste it.
Oh, you gotta get the neck as well, a little bit.
Good job. Oh, he's switching sponges.
Gotta get under the eyes.
Look at his hand on the top of my head. Ow! Get rid of the eye bags.
Maybe the powder next. Alright, we'll do this. Australis Fresh and Flawless powder. So the point of this is to make your face dry again. Is that the reason? So that you can put stuff on it? I don't know.
It's like setting the foundation, kind of.
Yeah. Close your eyes, please. Do not talk while I'm working. Highlighting or what's this one? Bronzer or highlighter? BYS matte bronzing powder. Enjoy. This brush is
Real Techniques setting brush.
Now with the bronzer, you want to get the okay. You gotta
describe where you're going.
This is where you sculpt the face, I believe.
Oh.
You want to make the highlights stand out. Oh yeah, put it down the nose. Make that. Oh my goodness. Oh wow, get that cheekbone popping.
Okay.
Alright, there's too much on the brush. I have to blend it in a lot.
I'm not gonna lie.
There's too much on the brush. Yeah.
Oh. I'm putting it there.
No, I'm blending it. I'm just blending it. Don't go.
Are you saying my nose is big? You have to make it look smaller?
And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna do like. Alright, that's it. Look at me. Don't look at over there. I'll need.
I'm just showing them.
Oh yeah, true. Can you see it?
Can you see it?
It's pretty nice. Now we move on to the highlighter. It's a highlighting bronzer from
Maybelline.
And you got different colours. Very fun stuff, this one. For your cheekbones.
This is the brush.
What? How else am I meant to... Look at the size of these bloody colours. How am I meant to... Oh, baby. Looking good.
It's so funny.
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous. I've never felt these sensations before.
Yeah, okay. Keep looking down.
Down.
Down. Oh. Now, not many people do this, but we're just gonna make that bottom lip look bigger than it really is.
I was like, I thought you were putting highlighter there, then I looked in the camera and it's red. Okay.
No, that's the look. Oh, we need a progress shot. Okay guys, here we go. We did some foundation. We did some, what is it? We did foundation, then we did some, I don't know what this is, some powder. Then we did some bronzer to the cheekbones, to the forehead, to the nose. Now, beautiful, and turn to the side for me,
What's wrong with my mouth?
Okay, now I'm just gonna apply that with a small brush, and then I'm gonna move on to the big brush / mid-range brush. I think that's your makeup done, really, and then I need to do your eyes and your lips. I can't even read the font. What does that say?
Jacqueline.
The Jacqueline Hill palette. There you go. And then this one here is the Sinopia one. So we're using the Sinopia palette today. Brand is Mayo. These are the colors. I'm gonna be using the cinnamon color.
Cinnamon.
Close your eyes, please. Thank you, my lady. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh yes. Keep your eyes closed, please. What I want you to do is keep your eyes closed, because now I'm gonna do what is this? Liquid liner tracer, Master Precise All Day Maybelline New York. Okay, keep your eyes open. Oh shit! Oh my goodness, what have I done?
I'm gonna show them.
As you can see, that's exactly what I wanted to do. Now, yep. Okay, now I'm going to do this one. Oh, beautiful.
Even I struggle with this, so it's like the hardest part of makeup.
This side I think is good.
Wait, let me see the other one.
That one,
yeah, it's pretty good.
This one
The
here.
other one's just so long.
No, this
Look,
one here,
Egyptian.
I hit.
You can put the eyeshadow back on top.
Oh dear. Oh no. Oh no. I put too.
How did that happen?
Too
How
much.
did that happen?
There's too much powder on, like the.
I look like a superhero or something.
Oh, that fixes everything. This is the best. Pecan. Have you used pecan before?
Not really. I don't use matte white.
I'm gonna bring in another color here. It's called champagne. Close your eyes, please. Just gonna go over the top with it. That's so cool. Cool. All right, now that's it for that. We're gonna use this. This is Thrive Cosmetics. Cosmetics. Here it comes. Actually, I don't like it. Yeah, do that, please.
So that's lip gloss, not lipstick.
Damn it. That's lipstick. Now what we're gonna do is, because Olivia likes her eyebrows at the moment, she puts soap on them. It's a bit of a. What we're actually meant to do is you gotta wet it with a liquid.
I'm surprised you remembered I do soap brows.
I do soap brows, guys. Here, you just mix it in until it's all soapy. What you do is you start from here. Bring him to the party. Turn this way, please. That is something else. I'm gonna make you look like a superhero. Or a supervillain. That's some fire!
Your brows are fire.
Oh, but I need to colour your eyebrows, don't I? How do you do that? What we're gonna do is we just kind of colour these in. We're gonna shape them. Colour them like this. Oh, this is for your lips. That's for your lips.
You put this on my eyebrow. You put lip pencil by Australis on my eyebrow. Not too hard. This one's expensive.
It's the best you've ever looked, I think. Cool. Now look at me. What else do I need to do? Looks pretty good to me. I think I've used every. Oh, give me your eyelashes.
No.
Stick them in.
Oh, you're gonna pinch me. Yeah, I'll show you how to.
Oh, is this the top ones? I was trying to put both of them in.
Why would you want to curl the bottom ones up? I mean, that would look cool for like an arty thing, but. Ow!
Oh.
Fuck! I need you to pinch me.
What did I pinch?
My skin.
Alright, I'm sorry. Are you okay?
I need a tissue.
Oh,
Is it red?
little bit.
That was a bad idea.
Beauty is pain after all. Okay, well we've finished the look, as you can see, very beautiful.
How would you call, what would you call this look?
This is a look that you'd wear on like maybe like a smart casual occasion. Maybe to like the arcade. I don't know, you'd wear this smart casual, you know, just meeting the boyfriend's family.
Imagine. Hi.
Oh, what's wrong with this? Looks good.
So you use the primer spray first, which is good, but normally I don't use it first, I use it last. So like when my makeup's done, I'll spray so it sets it in place.
I haven't finished actually, so I mean, don't know what you're complaining about.
Yeah, and then you got foundation right, which is good because you remembered me looking at the shops buying it.
Yep.
Yeah, but then I would put concealer for, that's why my bags look a bit dark. That's alright, and then you did the next step, which was good, powder. And you use this brush, you use this highlighting brush for bronzer. You want like a big brush like this. That's like in the shape of... I think the really funny thing was he used this bronzer and it's got like bits other colors, but you use it all together with a big brush and like put it on. But he thought it was like you use a tiny little brush and pick each color.
That's what I thought.
So funny. So he used like the tiniest eyeshadow brush and just picked the little shitty highlighter when he could have used this like amazing highlighter from Becca.
I think mine's pretty good. And how's your eyes? You happy with your eyes? Get up close and personal. Go.
Yeah. The eyeshadow is not actually that bad if you just like blended it more out this way.
What about the eyebrows? You happy with the eyebrows?
And the eyebrows are very, like, I see that you're trying to go for the fluffy effect, but they just look like a bit wild.
It's like a smart casual look, you know?
I'm impressed with this eyeliner on this eye. It's pretty good for a boy's first go.
Thank you.
And the lip gloss is just like a basic lip gloss. Very good. I'm quite impressed.
Damn right.
My skin looks quite good besides like the weird lines from the bronzer. And the contouring's like down here when it should be more like...
Oh, so I did the bronzer here.
Yeah.
And the highlight here where it should be like highlight here and then the bronzer. Yeah, okay.
Okay, let me know what you guys think of Fabian's first time doing makeup. Give his skills a rating out of 10. For your first time, I give him a 7.5 out of 10.
Thank you very much. That's very generous. Yes! Yeah! Woo! I'm just happy that I got some of the steps right because a lot of them were just guesses and just going off your facial expressions.
I feel like a lot of men would have no clue at all. They wouldn't know what foundation is or mascara is or eyeshadow or anything.
See you next time.
See you next time where I'll be doing Fabian's makeup. Woo! Don't forget to check out my Instagram, like this video and subscribe if you haven't already.
We're not finished yet.
Oh, you gonna say your Instagram?
Yeah. Hey guys. It's so dumb.
Look how brown I look next to you.
Yeah, it's because I did such an amazing job.
Bye!
Bye guys! No, finished!
He never lets me do it!
See you guys, have fun, have a good day, enjoy the weather. It's very nice outside. Don't know what you're doing inside, but it's really nice outside, so go out there and do stuff. Nice makeup, by the way.
Oh, thanks. I'm gonna go out now like this.
You should, but not with me, I'll be embarrassed.